The harpy eagle has huge talons that can grab and carry large animals like monkeys. Its powerful claws and strong beak make it a fierce hunter. Number 2, the secretary bird. The secretary bird uses its long legs to kick and crush snakes. Its strong legs can deliver a dangerous blow to its prey. Number 3, the cassowary. The cassowary is a huge, flightless bird with sharp claws on its feet. It can deliver powerful kicks that can seriously injure or even kill. Number 4, the Andean condor. With a wingspan of up to 10 feet, the Andean condor is intimidating. Though it's not aggressive, its size and strength can be quite dangerous. And number 5, the kookaburra. The kookaburra has a strong beak that can crush bones. It hunts large insects and small animals, making it a powerful predator.